How much money can I make with Bitcoin? In the end, it all comes down to the price you pay for and sell an asset. You'll make money if you sell when the price is greater than the amount you paid for it. Simple. And yet, if you sell for a lower amount than you paid for it, you'll lose money. Many people believe that investing in cryptocurrency is simple money, but this couldn't be further from reality. Making money in cryptocurrency requires study, time, and talent, and your results will be based on your commitment as well as your investment decisions. How much money can I make with cryptocurrency? As with any other type of investing, you'll have losses as well as profits, and reversals of fortune happen at breakneck speed on the volatile cryptocurrency markets. The quantity you make is determined by the amount you put in, the coins you invest in, and the method you employ. Timing is also important. Consider Bitcoin millionaires like Dorian Satoshi Nakamoto, who invested just before the price began to rise. Making $1 million with Bitcoin today is still feasible, but you'll need some initial capital to work with. Let us talk about a Bitcoin example. If you had invested in Bitcoin in January 2020 and sold by December 31st, 2020, you would have earned a 300% return. If you had invested in Bitcoin in January 2018 and sold by December 31st, you would have lost 73%. Crazy? Yes. Welcome to Bitcoin. The key is not to panic and crystallize your losses by selling when Bitcoin's value inevitably goes down, as it is for all investments. How to invest in Bitcoin? The most popular technique to invest in Bitcoin is to buy Bitcoins or a coins unit on a cryptocurrency exchange. There are alternative ways to invest your money. 1. Bitcoin exchange shares. You might get involved in cryptocurrency exchanges or purchase stock in firms that accept Bitcoin currency. 2. Invest in a blockchain network. You might invest in the blockchain network, the mechanism for recording information about cryptocurrency. 2 examples are Solana and Cardano. A Bitcoin fund. Several investment firms are now offering Bitcoin mutual funds. You'll have a lot more control over the price, but it will still be pretty volatile. It'll be easier to sell your investment and get your money back than to invest directly. Other investment vehicles include Bitcoin, as well as more conventional assets like equities and bonds. Bitcoin options. A forward contract is a type of financial derivative that gives you the option to acquire or sell Bitcoin at a specific price, known as a strike price, before a certain date. Options provide the opportunity to take a speculative position up or down on the future direction of a market price, just as Bitcoin futures do. If you believe the market price will rise, you would buy a call option. If your forecast was correct and the market price rose above the Bitcoin's option strike price, you'd be able to buy Bitcoin at the specified rate. How much money you make is determined by how far the price has risen past the strike price. If your forecast turned out to be incorrect and the price of Bitcoin plummeted, you could close the trade and only lose the premium you paid to start it. In the final words, the amount you can make is infinite, huge returns in the millions and billions, but that requires higher initial investment to obtain higher returns. But like all investments, large returns carry large risk. The question is whether you can handle the volatile journey. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, be sure to check out our playlist below, and if you're keen on making money online, subscribe to our weekly videos where we can help you when it comes to sound financial guidance.